with all due respect to Nvidia, CVNA and SQ, showing us that the IWM squeeze is just around the corner. Hey there, Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders.com here. Like, subscribe and stay with me for the rest of the video. If we didn't know it already, the past few days showed us that no one knows what will happen next in the market, not in the next minute, not in the next day, and certainly not in the next month or year. SPY with 2% to the upside, gapped up, followed by Nvidia earnings. We are still in an uptrend channel. We are still above the yellow zone. This is why we have the FTI, this magnificent tool. It helps us to take and make better, smarter decisions. And the FTI shows us that we are still in an uptrend channel. We are still above the yellow zone. It's an uptrend. Until proven otherwise, let me know in the comments below. When do you think we will see 435 and the SPY QQQ 3% to the upside? Not surprising after Nvidia's earnings. Nvidia's earnings taking all the market to the upside, 3% on the Qs, stuck at the 440. Now let's see continuation above the 440 towards 450 and then 466. We are above the yellow zone. We are above the 430. And as you can see, everything is in an uptrend. Dow Jones 1.2% to the upside today. Another interesting day in the Dow. We have the gap. More than 90-95% of all gaps will get filled. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. But we are still in an uptrend. We're above the yellow zone. Long continuation on the Dow above the 391. We will see 396 and 400 to the upside. Now let's talk about the IWM Russell 2000. Is it small caps time? After yesterday's, earlier, not yesterday, for me in Thailand it's already yesterday, but earlier today, CVNA 30% to the upside, SQ 20% to the upside, small caps short squeeze incoming. Let's see, we are above the yellow zone. We are still above this uptrend channel. Inside the uptrend channel, above this uptrend line. Long continuation, in my opinion. Weekly close above the 205. Can we get a weekly close above the 205? 2.3% on Friday. Just another usual Friday on the IWM volatility. Above 205 weekly close and then 215 and 232. This is what the FTI channel shows us. The way up and gives us all the future support and resistance for price action. Magnificent 7, 4.8% to the upside. 38 now is the resistance. We are inside an uptrend channel. Long continuation above the 38. We will see 40 and then 42 to the upside. And if you ask yourself, this is the FTI version 5. We're still working on version 6. I promised version 6 already 1 week ago, but I'm not putting out there anything that is less than 100% working. I'm aiming for up to 90-95% accuracy with the FTI version 5, with the FTI version 6. Now, with the version 5 of the FTI, we only have 80-85%, up to 80-85% only. It's not only, it's the most accurate tool that you will have on your chart. No other tool, no other indicator can give you with this high accuracy what price is going to do next. You have the trend lines. Think about them as your road for future price action. You have the Fibonacci levels. You have the buy-sell signal. You have the green line as your stop loss. Everything that you need on one chart, in one click, one tool. And it works on everything. As you can see, it works on ETFs. It works on crypto. It works on stocks. It works on shorts, long, day trading, swing trading, Ethereum,
holding inside this channel. As you can see, also all these channels, all these trend lines are based on Fibonacci. When it comes to trading, Fibonacci is everything. It's second to none. Carry, trying, but still failing to get back inside and stay inside the yellow zone. The yellow zone, super tough resistance. Long continuation, only above 50, 30. Gold. Let's talk about gold. Back inside the yellow zone, still in an uptrend, as you can see. Let's make it a little bit tighter, a little bit more accurate. And as you can see, now long continuation on gold above the 2033, and then you will have 2065, and then all these red levels as future resistance. SOXX 5% to the upside inside an uptrend channel. New all-time highs on the SOXX. As you can see, almost each and every day that goes by, SOXX gives us new all-time highs. We are now going from the right lane into the left lane. The left lane of the road is always the fastest lane. In this case, the fastest lane to upside north above 650, 677, and then 717. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? 717, yes or no? And if yes, when? Apple still inside the downtrend channel, still below a sell signal, still below the yellow zone. This is why it's super important first to understand price action, the universal truth, the universal language of the market, candlesticks. And then you can put yourself the FTI that will help you translate price action, the language of the market, in the most accurate way that can be. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Hit the like, subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, because we are going live every day 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, preparing together Q&A, charts, everything that we need to be fully prepared for the coming trading day. And this is the Fibonacci-Traders Discord, the only Discord, the only team you want to be a part of. Once you join us at the Fibonacci-Traders Discord, you will not want to go to any other place. We have trading floor in English, we have trading floor in Hebrew, premium room dedicated to day trading, swing lounge dedicated for swing. We have options room, crypto, general chats. We do special lives. We have a special channel for the FTI support. If you have any problem with the FTI, you get support almost 24/7. And this is new, beta version. So for now it's open for everyone, the FTI signals. Yep, this gives you automatically FTI signals. FTI is searching for the best setups, whether it's daily, whether it's intraday. It gives you buy signal, the ticker, the time frame, when to go in, price, and where to put your stop loss. It also on short, long, any time frame. Once you join the Fibonacci Traders, you will gain access to this amazing tool and elite team of traders. NVIDIA. What can we say about NVIDIA that has not been said? 1,000, 1K incoming. Uptrend until proven otherwise. We have the yellow zone. Basically, short squeeze continuation, FOMO continuation on NVIDIA, in my opinion, until at least 1K. AMD followed by NVIDIA, 10% to the upside, almost 11% to the upside. But as you can see, you know these trend lines, you know these Fibonacci levels because you follow me every video. And here we are once again at the 185. Now let's see continuation inside this channel. And this channel takes us 216 and yes, towards 270 area into the next earning season. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think about Nvidia? What do you think about AMD and the semiconductors sector in general? Where is this semiconductors taking us with all the AI madness? And we are still not in the first phase of the AI. It's just the beginning of the beginning of the beginning. Meta still inside this yellow box. Long continuation above 490 towards 430 and then 580 breaking below. And you have 435 and the gap at the 402. Always ask yourself, what if? What if Microsoft will break above the 420? You don't need to break your head. You follow price, you use the FTI, you follow the trend lines, and you use the Fibonacci future levels for resistance. You have the 436, 454. Same goes with Shopify that struggles. And in my opinion, Shopify, the way is south. Few days below the yellow zone. Few days already below the uptrend channel. 70-60 incoming. Below 70-60 you have all future support for Shopify. Netflix 2.6% to the upside. Netflix, as you can see, trend lines holding a support, Fibonacci levels holding a support and resistance above the 597. We will see 632 and 677. Amazon 3.5% to the upside, but once again, trend lines and Fibonacci levels. This is all you need. It gives you everything that you need to know and understand with the highest probability where price might be heading next, above the 175. Look right. You don't need to look left. Once you know price action, Fibonacci trend lines, and if you use the FTI, you can go and look right into the future. 185 and 195 to the upside. Tesla still lagging behind. We are still inside a downtrend channel. We are still below the yellow zone. So for now, no long in my opinion on Tesla. First, let's see this gap getting filled, staying inside the yellow zone for at least 1 week or so, and then only breaking above the 215. Then I will start considering long on Tesla towards the 230, 240, and all these red levels for future price action. Last but not least, Google back inside the yellow zone. Now let's see Google breaking up above and closing the week above the yellow zone, going into this gap, the 147, and going into the 151 gap. So overall, I'm waiting for confirmation and this short squeeze on the IWM. I'm waiting for a weekly close above the 205, and then IWM will be my favorite kid.
So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. It's another beautiful day here in Thailand, Koh Phangan. Until the next video, stay safe.